Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a lidded box from Yew, and right now we are just making it round with the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools.
Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear.
And now we're going to make a tenon so we can hold it in the chuck. There we go, just matching the angles of the jaws with the detailer. Alright, so we've got it flipped round and held in the chuck now. And we are going to take it 2 round, and we're going back with the rougher again. All tools and cutters used in this video will be linked down below if you are interested.
Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it.
There we go. Lovely piece of wood. There's a few cracks in it though. Off camera I filled that with a bit of CA and some sawdust. Alright, now we're just going to quickly clean up where the CA was. We're going to make a tenon on the other side. We're going to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go. Alright, we're just going to mark out with a pencil where we're going to put the lid and where we're going to part it off. Right about there. Alright, we're going to go in with the parting tool now and we're going to part it off. There we go. Bit of a wobble there with the lid. Alright, so this is the base. So we're going to flatten the nubbin off and get rid of it. So we're going in with the rougher there. And now we're going to clean it all out using the #1 hollower. Made very light work of this wood, #1 hollower. By far my favourite tool of the Easy Wood Tools range. There's the rougher just to flatten the sides. There you go, with a bit of compressed air. Alright, we're just going to sand up to 240 grit here. A bit of a clean with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Here is some wipe-on sanding sealer. Thought I'd try something different. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. So you just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
So I can be in on this for you. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only
There you go.
nothing but the best from me.
Alright, so we're just marking out the lid here. There we go. Alright, we're just going to use the rougher to go right up to that line.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going
Just giving it a test fit, and perfect.
waiting for someone to give me help.
Alright, we're just going to flatten that off there.
It's just some space and some time, then I'll be all
Get rid of that nubbin, and now we're going to hollow the lid out.
I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything inside of my sight. This is all so new to me.
I didn't bother showing you the sanding and finishing process of the inside of the lid. It was exactly the same as the bottom.
When I go out, the light
So there you go, that's that with the hollowing of the lid. So we're back to the outside now, and we're going to do a little bit of shaping. And for this we're going to start with the mid-size finisher.
the light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
And put a detail line there, 3 of them to be precise.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah.
Alright, now we're going to grab the Yew Wood Tools wire burner
I see what I'm asking for. It's just some space,
and burn them lines in.
then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind, I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say.
Alright, now we're going to sand up to 240 grit once again.
Everything inside of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out.
Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain.
I need you. Someone to show me the way.
Some wipe-on sanding sealer.
The light doesn't shine on me. I go out. The light doesn't shine on me. I fade out.
Bit more.
It's all so new to me. I need you
And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste.
to show me the way.
Once again, you're just going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Buff that in with the lathe gun about 500 RPMs. There you go, last few wipes. And there you go.
We've been here too long.
And some finishing wax.
Breathe, I can't take it
So just wipe this all over, make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in.
we've been.
Just build up that heat. Be careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on.
'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.